Welcome back, tough guys and girls. Günni the Knife Dude from Germany is back. Today I want to show you guys a very budget Bowie knife from Sawmill Cutlery. It's the so-called Ark-N-Saw Bowie. Put it out. As you can see, it's beautiful. I love this Bowie. Look at the two-tone finish. It looks like a file, this part. Looks at the multicolored wooden handle, scales. Awesome. Classic old finger guard brass. This Bowie is a real full tang, not a hidden tang construction or a fake. No, it's really full tang. Of course, clip point. 5 mm thick is the spine. A really big, bulky handle, but I like it. I love it. It's you have to think about that this Bowie only costs 50 euros or $50. It's awesome in this price range. The steel is some kind of carbon steel. It's not stainless, it's carbon steel. Pakistan made. Let's come short to the sheath. I must confess I'm not very happy with the sheath. It's almost garbage. But the first look is good, but you can it is definitely faux leather. It's nothing real, but okay. Most important is of course the Bowie and the knife. For this money you can't get a real outstanding Bowie and also a real leather sheet. But okay, I'm fine with this. The Bowie is really awesome. Classic 10-inch. The balance is okay. Ark-N-Saw Bowie knife. Bye.